Hi friends, hope all are doing well. We are doing well too. This vlog is basically about a 14 days quarantine experience at our home in Trivandrum and also a little panic situation which happened, our COVID testing experience also. This might be useful to some of you who are watching, so watch till the end. These were the initial days when we reached Trivandrum. She was doing fine and everything was going good, but one fine day she just started to show some symptoms of fever, high fever really. We were worried and we were supposed to inform everything to the health, so we did so. And they were also worried basically because she is a 3-year-old and everything is danger. So they informed us they will be sending us some vehicle and we'll have to travel by that and reach the COVID zone to get the test done. The panic started. They have posted the sticker on the wall just for people to know. So the ambulance arrived and this was the worst experience I had. I have never been in an ambulance in my life before. That's when I started to panic. Until then I was not in a panicky situation because I knew she don't have COVID or something like that. So it was like completely a closed van. Not very happy about it. We reached the place. It was a COVID isolation ward. The word itself makes us panic so much. We even panicked so much because it was a closed wall. Even the windows were not open. Basically, we were a little claustrophobic. She fell asleep. Come on, I don't know what happened. She fell asleep. And it was quite easy. The COVID testing went on really quick. Can you see that is the procedure room? We were waiting inside that. After the procedure, they took us in a different ambulance to our home. We are supposed to travel only by an ambulance and no other vehicle. That's how the health department says maintain their protocol or their procedure is like that. So they left us back at home in the same ambulance. And that's when we saw really the place and something because we reached Trivandrum by night and we just straight away went to the home and we never even came out of the home. So that's when we were seeing outside and we were really enjoying and stuffs like that. My daughter was fine by this time. She didn't have any fever or something. And after the test we came home. Can you see she does not have anything? As parents we keep panicking. This was actually the message which came after her test was taken. This will be a message will be coming to you if you're taking a test. And this was a link they shared with all the details and stuffs. And they told you can wait for the result for around 2 days. You'll be getting the result. So we waited for the result and everything was going on well. The result was negative by God's grace. It was really a happy moment when we knew the result was negative. Everything which was done by the health, the ambulance service or the test, everything was done for free. Thank you so much for that. And they helped us so much in a panic. That is something to be really thanked. Everything was going on well. They brought this immunity medicines for us, for me, for my husband and for my daughter. We are supposed to take this according to the prescription they have given. That was also a good initiative done by the ASHA workers, which will keep you away from corona and it will boost your immunity. So this was going on. And to talk about the test, because most of people are panicking about the test is not painful, but it is really uncomfortable. My daughter just was so brave to just overcome that, and she was just sleeping, come on. While she was taking the test, and she was having a very good time. We'll take her to the terrace, we'll not have any conversation with other people, and she was having her own time. The thing what I really wanted to share through this video is kids are really prone to fevers when they move from one place to another. What I felt and suggestion from my side to all the health workers or the doctors who are involved in this, you will really have to consult before just taking a test, according to me, because I was so much bothered going into that COVID zone rather than my daughter having a fever, because I really knew it was just a fever because change of place. And they didn't literally give us any doctor for consultation or something. They were literally guessing by phone and stuffs like that. And then we later on forced we need a pediatrician and we need to talk to them because we cannot go outside and consult anybody. So it's their duty or responsibility to make us available with the doctors. And later on they just told, okay, you can talk to a doctor right now. And then it was basically she was developing rashes day by day and was so worried. Corona or COVID is not just the flu which is available. come on, dengue and other dangerous stuffs are also there. So we must be worried, and the kids should be treated. At least a WhatsApp call, WhatsApp consultation is so much necessary with a pediatrician before sending them to a corona ward. So I request the health department or the Kerala government, whoever, if you're watching, please do share this and tell them this is so much necessary before sending somebody to a corona ward. So things went on after the 14 days quarantine. We are happy, hale and healthy. We took out the sticker from the house, took out all the panic from our hearts. We are happy right now. Thank you for watching.